Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Introduce yourself, please.
Hi, I am Muhammad. I am 6 years old. I am in the first grade. My favorite color is black. When I grow up, I want to be a policeman.
Excellent. Now look at the board, please. What is it?
It is a cow.
Okay, now put the letters on the board.
Ik. O. Ow, cow.
Excellent. What is it?
It is a horse.
Excellent. Put the letters now.
O. Ho. Her. S. Horse.
Excellent. Okay, now what is it?
It is a fish.
Okay, thank you. Now put the letters.
F. O. F. H. Fish.
Excellent. What is it?
It is a sheep.
Excellent. Now put the letters on the board.
Ish. Ish. E. She. Ep. Sheep.
Excellent. Okay, what is it?
It is a frog.
Excellent. Now put the letters on the board.
Frog.
Excellent. Okay, now what is it?
It is a cat.
Excellent. Put the letters on the board.
Ik. O. A. Cat. It. Cat.
Excellent. What is it?
It is a tiger.
Excellent. Now put the letters on the board.
It. I. Tie. Egg. Tiger.
Excellent. What is it?
It is a goat.
Excellent. Now put the letters on the board.
Egg. O. Goat. It. Goat.
Very good. Excellent.
It is my zoo.